Hello and welcome back. Today was a great day. Very happy today. Today we went and got the kitchen cabinets. I'm going to show y'all everything that we got. We got the lower cabinets. These are the cabinets. I have already painted just the fronts, just one really light coat. And I don't have my swatch, but the color I'm using is called Smoked Oyster. Let me show you what it'll look like after about 4 coats. This is what it'll look like. It looks gray, but it's a grayish brown. So, we got these two, and I got a nifty little trick to tell everyone about these. Overlook our messy house. We've had to move everything around to accommodate everything. And these are the other two. This is the sink. This goes to the right of the sink. 2x4s, we need it. I really don't like a lot of drawers, honestly, just because of the tracks. I hate them. We got a new sink. This was $109. And I'm going to be telling y'all some prices too, because I'm going to tell you how we saved money today. We did really good. Okay, so those two cabinets in there, we got these two. I can't remember how much they were. I got the receipt over there. But we got all the cabinets for 25% off. And that's going through the 27th or 28th of this month. I can't remember. Okay. Moving along. We got screws. A gallon of paint to the cabinets. We have bonding primer. That's going to go on the upper cabinets. We are not going to be able to salvage this. As you can see, very heavy water damage. Very heavy water damage. So we're going to have to pull this entire cabinet out. Put new subfloor. New insulation. Take all the old insulation out. Let the belly sheeting dry. New insulation. And then those cabinets are going to go over here. This paint, this is what I got. This paint, when you put one coat on, do not go back over it with your brush or anything. Because it kind of, if you get glue on your hand and it kind of ravels like that, I guess that's what you call it. That's what this paint does. So word of caution if you're using this paint. It says very good paint. You do not need very much of it. Believe me. Right now this is bare wood. The reason why we went with bare wood is because they were the cheapest and we knew what we wanted to do. So we also got a big bucket of some more screws. We are going to put new countertops on for mica. On the bar here, over there, and over here. Please overlook our mess. We do not live like this. And this was our 3 choices for the Formica top. Let me go somewhere where the light is good. Actually, I'll go right here. Our salt table. So we narrowed it down to these 3. And the colors that we picked out for the house. Let me go back over here. I'll get the swatches. I'm all over the board today. Too much going on at one time. Okay. So, this just looks gray. This is not gray. This is a grayish brown. These look white. They're not white. They're creamy. This is kind of a, not a bright white, but a white. Like an off-white. So, we were going to choose from these 3 tops. So we looked at this one, and I was like, you know, it's going to look flat. This is going to be too much gray, so we went with the dark top. And the reason why I like this is because it kind of breaks the contrast between the dark, this, on the top and bottom cabinets. This is going to be the wall paint. Then you're going to have this darker countertop to break it up. We are going to paint the trim along the top and along the top up there. Probably this here. And I believe that color is, it's called Natural Choice. So yes, I did get samples. Oops. So I read a Craigslist ad. Free, you come and get it. The guy's coming tomorrow to get this. That is work that we do not have to do. However, we are keeping the sink and the faucet. Not sure what we're going to do with the sink, but the faucet, we bought it last June, so it is basically brand new. And we did finally get all the floor down on the dining room side. The only thing left to do over here is paint, or actually fix the places on the wall. New socket faceplate and a faceplate on the switch. New ceiling fan. I am going to get new sheer curtains, but I think I'm going to fix the off-white curtains that are up. And as you can see here, those are the paint swatches that I got. The very first one on the left looks pink. And it did not look anything like the swatch that I got did. The next one to it looks like a green tint. The others is gray. The bright white spot is, it's called Du Jour. And it is Valspar, I believe. It's a Valspar color. It is called Du Jour, D-U space J-O-U-R. Okay, moving right along. Do these go to the left of the sink or the right? To the left.
One goes one side and one goes the other side.
To the left. To the left. I want this on the left then. Because of all the drawers. Oh, God. I got to show y'all this. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Have you ever been in love with something in the store? I got to have this. Okay. This little hallway. I love this little hallway. I don't know why. I'm just in love with it. Okay, here we got a linen closet. We got this wall here going into the second bathroom. And we have this wall here. Here, here, and here. Now, you might say, oh my God, that woman is nasty with her colors. How many of you have been to the Cookout restaurant and saw those red walls and the wood trim and the gorgeous hanging lights? Well, let me tell you, this little hallway is going to look like that, because this wall is going to be red. I'm leaving this trim alone. The door is going to get painted red. This wall is going to get painted red. That we're leaving the trim alone. And this wall is getting painted red. And for the light fixture up here, there is a gorgeous hanging light fixture that is like a really, really deep chocolate, like chocolate bronze, that I'm going to get. And it has an Edison light in it. I'm not going to do this wall because when the sun comes in this window, the red on this wall is going to cast a pink tint to this side of the house, the dining room. I do not like that. I do not like pink. No. Let's not go there. So, let's see if I can easily get to my paint swatches. wherever they may be. This is our tool of nifty stuff. Rollers, sander. Let's see, what else did we get? Cutter, squeegees. Oh, okay. Got these, 97 cents at Lowe's. Okay, because we spent so much, we got 10% off everything. In addition, 25% off of our kitchen cabinets for a total of 35% off. I love that. I love sales. I love saving money. Okay, so anyway, these knobs are going to go on the drawers and the doors. I'm just simple. I didn't need to have all them fancy pulleys, but they didn't have the color I wanted, so what do? I paint it. And let me see where the paint is, because I had already painted that doorknob. Oh, here it is. It's Rust-Oleum hammered dark bronze. And it looks just like, as you can see, as that door handle. Okay, lastly, the flooring. As bad as I hate to say it, I love this. And my heart breaks because we can't put it in the house. Reason being, this is a mobile home. And these houses flex, if that's what you want to call it. And this flooring, you can't freaking bend this stuff no matter what. So when you're putting this down in the long strips, which will be going this way, if the house settles and the edges of these ride up, you're going to have people scuffing their feet on the edges here. And they'll start doing that number. So I am going to go with a color like that, but it's going to be the vinyl flooring. That's about 3/4 thinner than that. That is going to lay really good. That will not be so stiff, and when the house settles, you won't get that clap. So, in this little hallway, I have found this gem at Lowe's, and I am honestly thinking about putting this in the whole house. This is gorgeous. This is called Blue Ridge Pine. And it has the prettiest colors in it. I mean, it is just absolutely beautiful. And it already has the padding on the bottom. See, it's just, imagine, if you will, just, I don't want to move this box out of the way. I love this. I so love this. And I think once we get the cabinets done, then I'll decide whether to go with this flooring, or Lowe's has the thin vinyl plank that is the same exact color as this. So what I've been doing is standing here trying to see how this is going to look. Now this looks like a gray, the drawer. It is not that gray, believe me. I've been doing this number to see how it's going to look. I've walked to the kitchen and I've done this number 500 times. Even at night when my husband's sleeping, I'll stand here and do this number, and I'm like, oh God, which flooring will look good? Then I go back over here. Yeah, I have OCD, if you didn't notice it. And then I'll go over here, and I'll pick a board that has all the colors in it, which would be this one. Because if you can see, it does have some gray on the side right here. So, imagine, if you will, I know I'm breathing heavy, I've been moving all day, and it's humid. We got the windows. We've been sleeping with the windows up. So this is what this looks like. And my gosh, let me tell you what. comment your opinion. I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at my husband looking at me. He's like, you've lost your noodle. So I come back over here and I go like this. So this is beautiful. And I don't know. I'm going to wait until we get the cabinets installed, finished and installed with the pulls, and then I'm going to decide. But for now, that's to get everybody caught up. You guys probably will not have another vlog until the kitchen is complete. That is going to be about... Oh, we don't get our Formica tops till the March 2nd. They had a special order. So, we got a killer deal on them. They are actually cheaper by ordering than what you can get already sold in the stores. So, when you go to Lowe's, look at their samples and see how much the samples are, because they were actually cheaper than what's already in the store. So, we got 10 sheets of the Vantech today. We just got to do some touch-ups left on this floor here. The dining room is mine next. Painting, fixing the holes, face plates, new fan. We're painting the ceiling the same color as the walls also. So, and of course y'all can see the colors here. I'm really going to like this white though. I really like that. So for now, that's all I have. Y'all have been messaging us, wanting some updates. There's an update. Sorry it was so long. I just had a lot of that I wanted to share with y'all. So, for now, this is all. But one thing you got to remember when you're dealing with a mobile home, they do settle, they do flex. And just, you have to watch what you put down. And that's the reason why we're being careful about this flooring. And we've talked to several people that are friends and professionals about this, and they've all said to get something that is flexible, you know, that over time will settle down. We've picked out the carpet for the living room and the master bedroom. They are offering free installation. What we're going to do is prepay it. They will still honor that free installation. So before you go buy stuff like this, do your homework like I did. Read online, ask the store associates. And a lot of times, if you go ahead and prepay for the stuff up front, they will still honor the sales and whatever they've got going on. So, thank y'all for watching. And it'll probably be about 2 weeks before y'all hear from us again on a house vlog. We might do an ATV vlog or something else. So, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.